We're back at Rind and Wheat in Spokane. Here, a relaxed and friendly atmosphere combined with excellent food will keep you coming back time and time again.
You know, just a place to hang out in the morning before you go on with the rest of your day.
It's homey, it makes you feel welcome.
Which is one of my favorite places to come to in Spokane.
It feels really comfortable and cozy, and you're gonna have carbs and love it.
If you would have asked me 5 years ago, I never wanted to own a bakery.
Owner Ricky Webster is the baker and mastermind behind Rind and Wheat. His passion for using the best ingredients and his personable nature make this shop a unique gem in Spokane.
We really want to take what's in our closest footprint, and if that's us having to go pick up some of that stuff and hand pick them off the tree then ourselves, then we do that. Really making it to where it is that one-stop shop and being able to provide just that little taste of something unique.
Just fell in love with Ricky's personality as well as everything I've eaten.
You get that personal touch.
I mean, the guy's an open person. I mean, you look at him, he's smiling every time you see him. It's just welcoming.
I think he is a celebrity.
You know, it's very much supporting the people who are doing it right here locally. We're very, very blessed to have such great food coming from within 300 to 500 miles.
It's one of those places where you just want to keep coming back, and I'm here pretty much every week.
I think it's second to none over here.
What are you and I gonna make today?
We're gonna get our hands dirty and
Okay.
make a good old country rustic loaf of sourdough. And we're gonna celebrate some more of those local ingredients that beyond what's on the table here. Yeah. This loaf here is about a 3-day fermentation.
Okay.
So that starts with this good old mix here, which is our starter. We're doing a savory roasted garlic and summer herb loaf right now with lots of local ingredients, of course, because that's really what we're passionate about. Water, good Spokane's finest.
Spokane's finest. Love it.
Going right into that.
Right from the aquifer.
We add in some shepherd's grain flour and a special dark rye flour from a local farm.
We like that rye to give that little bit of earthiness,
A little
grassiness.
extra something, yeah.
Once that sits, we're gonna finish it off and then shape it, and then it sits again overnight in our fridge.
But the magic of television.
Yeah.
Just magic of television. Ta-da!
Next, we add in an herb mixture and a little bit of lemon zest. Now we move on to a process called the stretch and fold.
A stretch and fold is a way for us to... Yeah, let's do it together. I mean, there's always time for stretching.
Right.
But it's a way for us to incorporate and develop the gluten strands in that dough to get you that nice, springy, chewy loaf, which we all love.
We add in the garlic and stretch and fold 2 more times, letting the dough rest for 30 minutes between each turn. Then we start pre-shaping the loaf.
And now we're just gonna pre-shape this so we can gently tell the bread what it needs to do.
Gently.
Right?
Bread.
It won't do what we want to do.
I need you to do this for me. That's gentle enough.
Yeah.
Next, we let it rest a bit more before pre-shaping again.
Look at you, I think we got a natural. We
First
are,
time anyone's ever said that.
we are hiring, so no.
Now we let the loaves sit in the fridge for about 16 hours. Then we take it out and score it with a razor blade. We put our loaf in the oven and cook at 450 degrees for 35 minutes, spraying water into the oven as it cooks.
The steam sets the crust on the outside, so it gives you that nice little crispiness.
Yeah.
And finally, the bread is done.
This is beautiful.
Thank you.
Look at this.
That sound, that nice,
Ah, yes.
yeah, that's what we want to hear. That's like
Yes.
music to our ears for sure. You can smell the tanginess, but it really gives you that roasted garlic smell. That tanginess, which is almost like cheesy sometimes. It falls into that like umami, like Parmesan rind-esque.
You did a good job.
Did wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
For more restaurants, recipes, farms, and fun, visit wagrown.com.